Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick channel update. I know I promised you that this week I would be coming out with the drill press table build. Unfortunately, I haven't even been able to work on it this week. I had a doctor's appointment on Monday, and as some of you know, I went and visited James King's shop up in Aurora, and I was up there for a little bit, and by the time I got back home, I was starting to feel cruddy, and yeah, I came down with a pretty bad cold. I'm still getting over it. I feel a little bit better today, but the last 2 days I have just been bleh. I mean, that's the best way to explain it. So I am going to put a video out this week. It's not going to be the drill press table. It's going to be one of two things, and if you guys could vote in the comments as to which one you'd rather see. If I feel better tomorrow, I'm going to do my tool review, basically what tools I use, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and I can put that one up. Or I have a video of where I built just a cheap little shelf. I mean, not really cheap, but not expensive either. Just a quick little shelf that I built for Kat's closet in her craft room, and I can get that one put up. That one should be fairly quick to edit. But yeah, if you have a preference on which one you'd like me to post up, let me know. I'm hoping to feel better tomorrow to be able to get the video done. If not, I may just go ahead and push myself through it anyway for the tool review. So yeah, just vote down in the comments as to which one you want, which one you'd like to see, and I'll get it put up. Also, another thing, if you guys could, like, share my channel, to get it out there. I'm currently at 39 subscribers. I'd like to hit 100 fairly soon. I have a couple things I want to do when I hit 100 subscribers, and I'd like to get started on some of that. So if you guys could just get the word out that I'm here and you like what I'm doing, just share the channel. And if you're watching this and you haven't already done so, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I come up with new videos. Yeah, I'm sorry about all this, guys. I really am. This is bad. But anyway, yeah, I will put up a video in the next couple days, and like I said, just vote down in the comments as to which one you'd like to see, and we'll get it done. All right, so until next time, happy creating.